Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Smoky Evening. Couples who celebrated their first Diwali this year. Kajal Agarwal and Gautam Kichlu. Kajal and her long-term boyfriend Gautam Kichlu recently got married to each other in a lavish wedding on 30th October. The popular actress and her husband spent this Diwali together at Maldives, where they went for their honeymoon. Rana Daggubati and Mihika Bajaj. On 8th August of this year, Rana Daggubati tied the knot with the love of his life, Mihika Bajaj, with the presence of his close ones only. This Diwali was the first one after their marriage, and this adorable couple spent this Diwali together along with their family members. Neha Kakkar and Rohanpreet Singh. Bollywood singing sensation Neha Kakkar tied her nuptial knots on 24th October with Rohanpreet Singh. Neha and Rohanpreet Singh went to Dubai for their honeymoon, and there, at their Atlantis, Dubai, this newlywed couple spent their first Diwali. Manish Raisinghan and Sangeeta Chauhan. Manish got married to Sangeeta on 30th June, and this couple did a registry marriage because of the pandemic. This was their first Diwali together, and they spent this Diwali with their respective families and enjoyed a lot. Nitin Reddy and Shalini Kandukari. Popular actor Nitin got married Shalini in July this year, and they are spending a happy conjugal life together. This year it was their first Diwali together after marriage, which they spent celebrating with their family members. Pooja Banerjee and Kunal Verma. Popular TV actress Pooja and her longtime boyfriend Kunal Verma opted for a court marriage this year because of the pandemic. The actress and her husband and their newborn baby celebrated their first Diwali together this year along with all the family members. Prachi Tehlan and Rohit Saroha. Actress Prachi Tehlan got hitched with businessman Rohit Saroha in the August of this year in a lavish Indian wedding. This year, this actress celebrated her first Diwali after she got married. She celebrated this auspicious occasion with her husband and in-laws. Which couple do you like the most among these? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more updates from Bollywood.